Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to replace the upper fusor roller and the lower pressure roller on the fusor unit on Brother DCP-7055 series. So I have obtained the upper fusor roller, which we have to replace here. First, unscrew this screw. Take out we have to unscrew these two screws too. We have to disconnect these connectors. Let me focus. Push slightly and pull out this way, and pull out this connector too. Now we have to unscrew the two screws which hold the heating element. One and the second. There are two springs on both sides of the fusor. We have to release them carefully. This is the first. Release this small one first. And the second bigger spring. Rotate the whole module with the LPR, and we can lift up the fusor roller. This is our fusor roller. Take out the bushing from the left side. Take out the heating element carefully. And now, with a small flat screwdriver, push these clutches here. To let the bushing come out. And the last thing, this metal spring. This is our old fusor roller. Before we place the new one, we have to clean very well these elements. There is a toner crystallization on them here. it's easy to clean them. Let's take out the new roller. This is our new roller, this is our old roller. In a reverse order. First, let's put this spring. Like this. Then this metal ring, the bushing, and final this part. And again with a flat small screwdriver push these metal ends to lock this part, the bushing from the other side, and we are ready to put the new fusor roller here. First, put the heating element in the tube, then let me show you. Careful, these 4 elements here, they have to be over the roller. These bushings has to fit in the holes. Yes, that's it. And now let's connect these connectors. This one and that one. Now we have to assemble the unit. These 2 springs, we can put them here on both sides. Okay, now let's put this assembly on its place. Rotate it. Let me do this. First is okay. Now the second spring. And finally, the last part of the unit. When we screw these two screws, we are done, and we have a new fusing roller. That's it. Thank you very much and good luck.